Hey man, I swear we was just talking about the military blue original fours. I said they're gonna hit us with a shock drop, exclusive access, another shock drop because it's that many pairs. And guess what, man? A shock drop is near us, man. It's about to happen. It's coming real soon. Stick around to today's video so you can get all the details about this upcoming shock drop, man. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tapping into today's video, man. I appreciate you guys, bruh. It's been a lot going on these last couple of weeks and a lot of information regarding the Air Jordan 4 military blues, man. A lot of information from stock numbers to pushbacks to shock drops to all types of stuff. But before we get any further in today's video, right now, what I need everybody to do is hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy, so let me know any updates about what's going on with this sneaker, and we will be going live for this shock drop. I'm gonna give you guys a date, the time, and all that good stuff because it's happening really soon. But I need y'all to hit that like button for this good information. Shouts out to Family Vibe Discord that always puts us on to all the shock drops, free stocks, and stuff like that. So if you do want to join the Discord where I get all my information, I'm gonna tag it down below, put it right here, so you go tap in with them. Over on Instagram, it's super simple. But yeah, man, let's go ahead and get into this juicy video. Let's get into it. All right, guys, like you seen on the thumbnail, like you seen on the title, bro, Nike teased a shock drop. I'm talking about the information came so quick. So first you get the tease over on Nike sneakers app. They said, who wants a shock drop? Essentially, it said me, and me, and I hit all three of them joints, bro. I was like, I want a shock drop now because I want these military blue fours. OG colorway, definitely need them in the collection. I did misspeak yesterday's video. I said that they weren't OG, but I just misspoke because I was thinking about the cool gray 9. So don't worry me too much, bro. They're all an OG colorway. I was talking about a bunch of different sneakers, but the military blue fours on the sneakers app, they said, who wants a shock drop, bro? Who don't want a shock drop? Nike, come on, dog. Like, for a release like that, who don't want a shock drop? And so I got that information first. We seen that. I voted on sneakers app, and then next thing you know, I get a DM from Family Vibes Discord. And they say, you know what? We got a shock drop today for those SB Dunks. Guess what's happening tomorrow? A shock drop for the Air Jordan 4 military blues. Yes, bro. Yes, tomorrow the shock drop is rumored. And man, hey, I'm telling y'all, bro, Family Vibe Discord, don't miss. If anything does happen to where they push it back or something like that, I'm pretty sure it won't happen. But it could potentially happen. But the shock drop we are hearing will happen tomorrow on the Nike sneakers app. And I got the time too. Hold on, I got the time. Let me pull out my phone real quick so I can help you guys out, let you guys know the time. So tomorrow, actually, man, this how good, you know what I'm saying, the information come. They said Nike just chose violence, and it will be a shock drop for the military blue fours, and it will be happening tomorrow at 1 p.m. Central Standard Time and 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so yes, guys, it's coming, it's happening. And you know, Nike kind of gives it away themselves when they ask us who wants a shock drop. It usually happens the next day, and I cannot wait. It is about to go down, bro. It's about to happen, man. It's gonna be a crazy shock drop, and I hope it's a lot of pairs loaded on this shock drop. And tomorrow or even later today when we get the stock numbers, I will be putting you guys on. That's why we're going live tonight. So tap into the live stream tonight, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you know about the stock numbers, the chances of you possibly hitting on this, you know, shock drop on the Nike sneakers app. And we're gonna just chop it up. We're gonna have a good time. We always have a good time on the live streams. I'm talking a lot right now because I'm excited myself, bro. This is an Air Jordan 4 I've been wanting forever, for a long time, since I first seen them back in the day in high school. Said one day I'm gonna have those Air Jordan 4s right there, and now they're finally among us, bro. They're among us tomorrow. Let me run it down real quick one more time because I did do a lot of talking, and sometimes I just, you know, steer away from what we're talking about. Let's go back. Let's get back on track, man. Tomorrow, Nike sneakers app, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I'm gonna check again. Yeah, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Shock drop tomorrow for the military blue fours. I can't wait for it to happen. If you guys want more information like this, like I said, man, you go join the Discord and you can subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you can get all the 411, all the details on what's going on with this. And I don't think this is the only drop that's gonna happen before the drop. Like, they got so many pairs to where, like, They just want to make their money. They want to make their money. They want to get this hype built up. So this shot drop tomorrow is definitely going to help that hype. It's definitely going to help those sales. And then I'm pretty sure it's going to be an exclusive access. And of course, the original drop on May 25th, bro. I can't wait. You heard it here first, bro. You heard it here first. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, man. So like I said, man, tonight we will be going live. I'm going to have to say this again and again because people be skipping through the videos, man. We'll be going live tonight and tomorrow on YouTube to kind of, you know, go over the drop. We're going to try to cop them things together and all that good stuff. So if you want to rock out with your boy, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and please, 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 right now, leave a huge like. Let's get this up to 400 likes. That's been a goal, and we've been crushing that every single video so far. So let's get that 400 threshold. It will help other people out. It will push this in the algorithm, and it will show YouTube you guys are enjoying the content. We're trying to hit that 100K, bro. We're trying to hit that 100K. Hopefully, we hit that 85K here real soon. But with you guys' support, the way y'all been rocking out, I'm pretty sure we're going to hit it in no time, man. And I can't believe I got this far without asking, man, who hit on that shot drop on the Nike sneakers app today for the SBs. It was like one of them scratch methods. I'm not a huge SB fan, but I was in the gym today. I tried to go for them. I was like, you know, if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. That's how I am with dunks because there's still a lot of hype with SBs. Didn't get a pair, but if you did, man, please let me know in the comment section who all hit on them joints. So yeah, man, one more time, tomorrow, shot drop, rumored, pretty much confirmed. We got to put the quotations around confirmed and the question mark because, hey, I'm telling y'all, bro, Family Vibe Discord, don't miss. Tomorrow, 1 p.m. Central Standard Time, 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And we'll be going live tonight with them stock numbers, and we're going live tomorrow for the drop mess. Y'all be ready. I'm ready. I can't wait to get a pair, bro. I'm going to double up on them things. You already know how we rocking. And yeah, man, that's pretty much it. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. If you are new here to the channel, you already know what I need y'all to do, man. Go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and leave a huge like on today's video. Drop tomorrow. I'm going to catch y'all there, but we're going to be live tonight, so don't miss out, man. Peace. I'm telling y'all, man, y'all got to join the Discord. Look at that, bro. Look at that information. Tell you the breakdown, the time, all that good stuff, man. Do yourself a favor. Join Family Vibe Discord again. I'm going to tag them down below. Go tell them your boy DeVintage sent you, and you get notifications like this, bro. They told us about this shock drop. Y'all see it's kind of ain't focusing. And they told us about this shock drop as well, the breakdown. They said it's going to be a scratch drop, all that stuff, man. So I'm going to tag it down below. Go follow them on IG. Tell them DeVintage sent you, and you'll be well prepared for all future restock, shock drops, exclusive access, all that good stuff, man.